Drivers, watch your cars. Drivers go when called. Fazul Donardo, Tony James, Shane Biffin, Jaden Kayum, Andrew Mackey, Keith McDonald, Gavin Killian, Wayne Blair, Ashley Beard.
Wayne Blair in the lead, Purcell in the second spot, and Gavin in the third.
Drivers, time remaining, 4 minutes.
Okay, Wayne Blair leading, Shane the second, Purcell in the third, Gavin in the fourth, Andrew Mackey 5, Tony James in the sixth, Ashley Beard in seventh. Got a problem with the front of that car. Gap between car 8 and car 3 is only 0.8 of a second, 3.8 back to 7 and 0.2 back to 1. Fastest time still is Max Lothian, a 16.51. Wayne on a 16.517, and
Drivers,
not even
time remaining,
in the A group
3 minutes.
yet. So there's going to be fairly compact in that 16 lap mode. Shane Biffin on a 16, Purcell on 15, Shane Biffin on 16, Wayne Blair 16. Gap between Shane and Wayne now, 0.7 of a second and 7.4 back to Purcell. Got 2 minutes 20 to go, drivers.
Drivers, time remaining, 2 minutes.
Shane Biffin, Wayne Blair and Purcell, that's our 3 at the moment. Gavin Gillen in 4th spot, Andrew Mackey in the 5, Ashley Beard in the 6, Tony James in 7. We've got about 1 minute 40 left. Next race up is the 21.5E, which is the rookie class, is up next. Race 11.
Drivers, time remaining, 1 minute.
All right, Shane leading, Wayne second, Purcell in the third. We've got 25 seconds remaining. Still top 2 are in 16 lap mode. One's on a 16.16 and the other one's on a 16.17. Only 0.6 of a second between first and second. That's car 3 and car 8. Marshall, please. Thank you, Marshall. Well done.
Ashley Beard. Finished. Andrew Mackey. Finished. Fazul Donardo. Finished. Gavin Killian.